How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with a new episode of Multi-Section Monday, where on Mondays I showcase a particular multi-section home that we have available here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Monday, I'm bringing to you the Jersey. If you are currently in the market for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom multi-section home, then you need to stop right here at this video and watch from front to back, because this particular model by the name of the Jersey is action-packed. I'm telling you, starting with the dimensions of this home at 30 feet wide, 68 feet long, 1,942 square feet to be exact, and it's on sale today for $185K. $185,000, and once I showcase what this home has to offer, you'll see why it's worth every penny. Keep in mind, I can't tell you what this home's gonna be next year or next month. That $185 is for today. $185K today, starting here on the exterior. You'll see we have the garlic clove exterior base color. We have the black trim around the doors, windows, fascia, as well as porch posts and toppings of your railing here. But what I love about this is the curb appeal. It has the wraparound porch on this particular model, but it has rebar wrapped around as well. But what I love that is the efficiency. I love that about it because it leads you right to the second door, the secondary door, which leads right into the kitchen. So if you're carrying groceries in, very convenient to go right into the kitchen area. It's also a 6-foot porch on this side, 4-foot porch up front, so you have ample space for chairs and seating, as well as walk space to stay covered out of the rain, but also enjoy this lovely home at the same time. Now follow me around, and you'll see we've got dual exterior receptacles on the outside of the porch. We have can lights running down the porch as well. And what's so lovely is when you come into the primary door, this home is greeted with character on the interior as well. So follow me inside. And you'll see here, once you walk into the Jersey, this particular model is already thinking ahead for you. We've got the coat closet. So you sit there, you take your coat off, take your shoes off, so that way you're not tracking any dirt or debris through the rest of the home. This is a lovely home, so you don't want to dirty it up. But right here across from that is going to be your designated dining area. So as soon as you come in, you can stop, get a bite to eat right here at your beautiful table. You can choose to go with the round table, traditional table. The options are yours, but I love that it has a designated area to do so. Also, up above, you'll see we got the 3-blade ceiling fan in a nickel finish. What complements that is the natural lighting as well. So you do not have to utilize the light from the ceiling fan if you do not want to during the day, because you have dual windows here to the side, single window up front. But what's great about that is you can eat, but then also enjoy the view of your porch as well as your property from the convenience of the interior of the Jersey. What I also love about this model is, yes, it's an open floor plan, but there is also some privacy as well. There's just a corner wall right here. So if you're sitting here eating, you have the privacy right here as well, but it's still open to the front of the home, to the kitchen, as well as the living room space. Now follow me around this wall, and you'll see we'll lead right here into the kitchen, where you can see where this is going to be a spot where you're going to spend a lot of time. So you follow me right this way, and the first thing you're going to notice is this huge island that we have centered right here in the home. This is great because we have the additional storage space down below on each side, flat top all the way across, no elevated space, so it gives great options for prep space, also dining areas as well. We have the triple pendant lights up above, bringing that character that we like to do here at Recreational Resort Cottages. But as you look over here, we have the green cabinets right here for you, because this is a great color pop, great contrast when you're going from the brown right here on the island to the green of the cabinets. You can't beat it right here. And then we also have the built-in stainless steel microwave right there for you. And you have tons of cabinet space galore going above the fridge. We see we have a stainless steel side-by-side fridge in here. Look at all this countertop space. We have an abundance of cabinetry, whether it's drawers, cabinets, up top, down below. We also have the Stonecrest range right here up above the electric smooth top oven. So this Stonecrest Venta hood right here is very modern, very sleek. I love it, and it complements this white Subway backsplash that we have going right here behind your range. And again, I tell you all the time, this is electric, you can go gas, but let's focus right here on the island storage as well. Let's not forget that. Tons of cabinet space galore through this home, but also look at the countertop space. This wraps around. This is a chef's dream. If somebody likes to cook, mwah, chef's kiss to this kitchen right now. We've also got nickel bar pools wrapped throughout the home. And then right here we have the 3 picture windows that lead out into the view of your property. Also have the stainless steel farm sink with the detachable sprayer, so you can have a beautiful view while you're sitting there cleaning up. But then also, if you don't want to clean up all day, you got the stainless steel dishwasher right there as well. And remember, I told you earlier, there was a secondary door, which was right here, that leads right here into the kitchen space. So wouldn't that be lovely to carry your groceries directly into your kitchen and not have to worry about hustling and bustling through the rest of the house? You got that covered right here in this particular model. Now, flow with me. And you'll see right here, look at even the outlets on the front of the island. We've thought ahead for you, whether that's for your blender or if that's for your kid's iPad or cell phone that's about to die, we've got it covered for you either way. And then follow me this way into the living area of this home. And you'll see that this particular model is great because it has the appeal right here of the tray ceiling. You can see we have the rustic wood beams right there, as well as a rustic pattern set into the tray ceiling, matched with 4 can lights, as well as another 3-blade ceiling fan centered. So that right there is offering those one-of-a-kind characteristics that we do here at Recreational Resort Cottages. These are not your traditional manufactured homes. This is the quality, the styling that you are looking for at a great price. Again, guys, $185K. Where are you going to get 1,900 square feet for that price on a 2021 new constructed home? I'll wait. Recreational Resort Cottages is where you're going to get it done at. And you'll see right here in the living area, space for a full-size couch, love seat, ottoman. The options are endless. You can put recliners in here, whatever you would like to do. But then also, again, like we do, we bring in the natural light. You have the 3 windows down below, 3 transoms up top. But what I love is the characteristic of this 50-inch floating entertainment center right here, paired with the LED crystallized rustic fireplace. So that also puts off heat for you as well, but it also looks very cool as well when it's running. And then right here on each side, we have the open bookcases. That way you can put books, decor, pictures, whatever you like. But then right here, you have a designated area already to put your TV. So we've taken the guesswork out of it. You don't have to worry about going to get a TV console or entertainment center. It's already built in for you. It's done. You're good to go right there. So we thought ahead. We're making it easy for you with this decision to go with the Jersey from Recreational Resort Cottages. And as you make your way through the hallway, I told you this home is a 3-bedroom. So we'll go to the guest rooms right now. We'll go into guest bedroom number 1. And as you see here, you go in. Of course, we've got the ceiling fan here centered. Keep in mind some of the qualities that you may be overlooking because this home has so many characteristics that pop out. But look at the features. We have crown molding, 4.5-inch going throughout the home. We also have in-ceiling venting. None of the vents are in the floor for you, so you got that covered right here. So those are the features I just want to point out to you. Besides the 1/2-inch sheetrock, 2x4s behind that, this is the real construction that you're looking for. All windows are double thermal pane. I'm telling you, this is the option for you. But besides that, in this first bedroom, you have enough space to easily accommodate whatever size bed you would like to. King, queen, full, twin, the options are here. You can even put bunk beds in here if you want. If you got some little ones that, you know, need to bunk up, you got the space for it. Also, we got the closet over here behind me. As you can see, it's got the shelf and rod easily right there for you, as well as the window right up front to bring in some more of that natural light. Now, what I'll do is take you directly across from this room to the second guest room there for you. And you'll see as we go right here, this room is a little smaller than the first. So this one has a little less space there for you, which works great for, you know, younger children, or this could be an office space. I've had a ton of clients turn this and utilize a 3rd bedroom into an office space if they didn't need it at the time. So a lot of clients are working from home. This is a great area to do it at. You even got a window right there, so that way you bring in that light all times of day. And then also, course, another closet there for you. So you have that option there for storage as well. And of course, I told you, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So we got 2 guest bedrooms right here. Of course, they gotta have a bathroom. So it's centralized right here, which I love. And then as you come in, you'll see, of course, we're keeping the green cabinets going. We've also wrapped the bathroom mirror in the green trim as well. Nickel bar pools, got the linen cabinet up above your toilet. But then right here, we have the fiberglass 1-piece tub shower. So this is great for small children, teenagers, adults, everyone can use it. It's very functional. But then also, like we always do, bringing that natural light with the transom window. And then as you follow me on out, we're keeping it going for you. We'll make our way directly across from the guest bedroom area, and we'll make our way into the utility room. And you'll see right here, this is a full utility room that you're getting in this model. We have the cabinetry up above for the additional storage, a hanging rod there as well. What I love is you have the mop sink right here as you enter the side door. This is the 3rd door right here on the Jersey. So you had 2 up front of the home. This is gonna be your rear access as well. So when you come in, hands are dirty working in the yard, you wash up right there, and you are ready to roll through the rest of the house. Also, we have the false wall right here for your electric hot water heater. And then, you thought that was all? No, it's not. We got a pantry right here. I know you, if the cabinet space in the kitchen wasn't enough, on the other side, where'd I go? I don't know, but I know your canned goods can go there. You got enough space for it. 3 shelves right there in the closet for you, and it's perfect space. And I'm telling you, we're thinking ahead because we're giving you the abundance of storage space that you're gonna need if you have a home that you're looking to accommodate a family in. Speaking of family, don't you hate when they come over and ask for towels to wash up with and things like that? Just say, go get it from the hall closet. Because guess what? We got another closet right here for you, which you could utilize as the linen closet for the guest bedroom there, or you could just use it for additional storage. The option's yours. It's your house. Do what you want. Don't listen to me. I'm just Mr. Tiny. But then right through here, we have the master bedroom of the Jersey. And as you see, as we come on back, this is where you're going to get an abundance of space and flow. Look over here. Ollie, ollie, oxen free. That's how far I feel in this particular model right here in the Jersey. And you'll see we got enough space to accommodate again. You could put 2 king beds in here in the particular Jersey. You could bring the entire Jersey Shore here and fist pump in your bedroom all day long in the Jay-Z. We got it right here in the master bedroom. But then also you have the 2 windows right here off the rear of the home. Keep in mind, ceiling fan center. And of course, we got the closet right over here to the side. But guess what? If I could walk through the storage closet, what do you think I can do in your master bedroom closet? We have enough space right here for a walk-in closet. This wraps all the way around here. We can walk all the way around, and you can see this as well. So tons of hanging space for everyone right here in this particular model, but it's not done yet. You follow me right in here, behind the last door here. You already know what it is. It's the master bathroom. So follow me in, and you'll see great utilization of cabinets. We have the 3-door pantry right here in your bathroom. We also have the utilization of the cabinets down low with the dual cabinet doors as well as the 4 drawers centered. We have the dual vanities right here, the dual sinks for you. Again, another green wrapped trimmed mirror. We have a transom up above that, a big transom up above your big sofa tub. So you can see right here, you have enough space to rub a dub in the tub when you want to, but just in case you're too tired, your back's been hurting a little bit, can't bend down quite far enough, just walk right in here into your walk-in shower. Half wall, splash glass, vintage lace, and a horizontal pattern going throughout this shower. Look at this. Well, maybe slip and slide through this. I'm telling you, and you got the rain shower head up above, so that way, and you can see, again, I'm 6'1", so you can see, hey, unless you're LeBron James up in here, I think you're gonna be okay with getting under this rain shower head right now. And if you need it, if LeBron, if you're watching, Hey, we can move it up a little bit for you too. I got you covered. Mr. Tiny's got you covered. But look at this, the abundance of space right here. And again, we've got the elevated lip here, so that way you don't have to worry about any splash on your floor. But then you come back through, and let me show you some more of this Jersey. Keep in mind, I told you that this home is 1,942 square feet, 185,000. For everything that I've showcased today, you can see that this is definitely a bargain for the price. For a 2021 site-built construction quality, you can't beat it. Now follow me through, and what I love about it, this open area here in the living space, the dining area that we have, of course, and then the kitchen. I feel like this is gonna be an area where a lot of time is spent with the owners of the Jersey. This is a great model that I think everyone's gonna love. And again, guys, just for statistics, one more time, 30 feet wide, 68 feet long, 1,942 square feet, 185K today in the Jersey. So this particular model, I wanna thank you for tuning in to another Multi-Section Monday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. If you like the video and you like the Jersey, please leave a like and a subscribe and a comment. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you're part of the family. You know these videos are coming every week. If you're not subscribed, please do so right now, and also hit that notification bell. That way you can be notified every time a new video is posted, whether it's a multi-section home like I've showcased today, or the tiny homes that we're famous for, as well as the single sections if you need a little bit more room than the tinies. We got you covered from 399 square feet up to 2,500 square feet here at Recreational Resort Cottages, and we'd love to assist you. Also, if you want to connect with me directly, hey, you know what to do. Go over to Instagram right now. Follow me on Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Jersey as well as hundreds of other models that I showcase on this channel directly from my Instagram. You can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right for you. So I want to thank you again for tuning into another Multi-Section Monday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Multi-Section Monday.